Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's 5 thoughts. First English thought is, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Now the second one, winners are not those who never fail, but are those who never quit. Third thought is, let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Fourth thought is, man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. And the last fifth thought is, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this.